What do you do with the used condom? He said, we discard them in the bin. We don't in the Philippines. Why? What do you do? We recycle them. We make them bubble gum. My name is Andre Bonds of the Handsome Mechanic.
You should be here.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Australia Day. For today's video, I would like to introduce to you to the person from America who doesn't need a kingdom for him to become a king. Welcome, Mr. Ryan Edward King. Ryan, you are from
Chicago.
a lot of things there.
Oh yeah.
Is that plenty of white or black people there?
Oh, it's a mix of everything.
Do you want to hear a funny story?
Yeah, that's it.
3 years ago, I was in Paris with my brother and my sister. We had our white Christmas in Paris, around Europe. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
One of the restaurants in Paris, we were having, you know what's the famous bread in Paris? They love it, the croissant.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Croissant, yeah? My friend told me, you better try croissant in Paris.
Oh yeah.
So we're having it. And in Paris, there was this restaurant, and then on the side street, you can see the round table having a coffee. I think that's very popular in Paris.
Oh yeah.
So I was sitting on a round table having this croissant. And next to me is a black guy from America. And he was chewing bubble gum. He looked at me like that. And then he greeted me. I just cannot copy their accent. Their accent is different.
It is.
Hey, yo. Are you a tourist here? She said, yeah, why? I saw you. You eat bread, yeah? Yeah, you can see I'm eating bread. What about the crumbs? What do you do with them? Said the guy. I said, we eat them. What about you? Oh, no, not in America. In America, we collect the crumbs, recycle them, and make them croissant.
Oh what?
And he saw me, I was eating croissant. And then he smiled, and then he popped his bubble gum through his teeth. I'm like that, yeah? Okay. Because, you know, it's okay, maybe he's just joking. And then when he saw me, I was spreading the jam, the marmalade on the croissant. He asked me again, hey, yo, do you eat fruit? I said, of course. What do you do with the skin? We use them for compost. We throw them out. We discard them. What about you in America? No, we collect them, we recycle them, and make them a marmalade. He saw me, I was using a marmalade. What is this guy up to, yeah? And then he popped the bubble gum again through his teeth. And he was smiling. And then I suddenly remember during the wartime, you can choose between go to war or you can have sex on the ring. I said, hey yo, I asked him, do you use condom while having sex? And he said, yes, why? What do you do with the used condom? I said, we discard them in the bin. We don't in the Philippines. Why? What do you do? We recycle them, we make them bubble gum.
All right, that was good.
He walked away. You should be